Every day, CMOs get slammed with data that's supposed to help them, but instead just buries them alive. Too many dashboards, conflicting numbers, useless metrics, and zero clear insight on what actually moves the needle. It's brutal. They're stuck drowning in noise while the pressure to deliver skyrockets. If that frustration doesn't crush you, nothing will. Because leaders feel helpless, like they're flying blind when decisions matter most. No more guessing games, no more reliance on gut feeling disguised as experience. You either have the facts or you get left behind, plain and simple. Now, here's what nobody tells you loud enough. AI-powered analytics isn't some future promise or shiny toy anymore. It's the weapon that's going to rip apart these problems right now. Not tomorrow, right now. But most CMOs are still using AI like it's a magic wand, expecting it to solve everything by itself. Wrong. AI alone doesn't fix your mess. The game changer is how you integrate AI insights into your daily hustle. You need to build processes that force decisions, not just generate reports. It's about obsessing over dissecting the real drivers behind every campaign, every channel, every dollar spent. You need AI that doesn't just talk numbers, but uncovers behavior patterns you didn't even suspect. Real actionable intelligence that tells you where to attack and where to pull back. Here's what to do. Step 1. Stop worshipping dashboard layouts and start creating a ruthless hierarchy of metrics. Strip everything down to what actually predicts sales and growth. Kill vanity metrics. If it doesn't move the business needle, it's dead to you. Step 2. Build a feedback loop where AI-powered insights directly influence and change your strategy daily. This is not monthly meetings or quarterly reviews. This is real-time adjustments based on hard evidence. No opinions allowed. Step 3. Get your team addicted to testing and learning driven by data, not tradition or gut feel. Train them until every single marketer, every single exec breathes data and trusts what AI signals say, even if it challenges their instincts. Here's the kicker. Most CMOs don't realize they're sitting on a goldmine because they fail to connect the dots between data sources. AI means nothing if it can't see the whole picture across customer touchpoints, sales funnels, product usage, and even external market signals. Real mastery is about stitching this all together seamlessly so the AI uncovers what no human brain can catch in time. Stop thinking about analytics as a separate tech tool and start owning it as your core strategic muscle. And listen, this is not about replacing people with machines. It's about equipping you and your team to cut through the chaos and make decisions that actually count. AI eliminates bias and guesswork. It exposes what you didn't dare face before because the data forces you to confront brutal truths. That's uncomfortable, but necessary. The companies that win, they build structures where AI insights lead to immediate action, not debate. Imagine waking up knowing exactly where to pour your budget for maximum impact, knowing precisely which campaigns are wasting your time, and finally having the clarity to challenge stale processes that have held your marketing hostage for years. This is the freedom AI-powered analytics bring. It's aggressive, it's relentless, and it rewards those ready to tear down their old ways and build new, smarter habits fast. If you're still stuck with slow, clunky, nice-to-have analytics, you're already behind. The CEO is demanding results. Investors want proof, and the market won't wait. This is your call to step into ruthless efficiency. Move beyond just collecting data. Build an AI-driven decision engine that fuels your entire marketing machine. That's the only way to win today. Do it now. Strip the fluff. Command your team to abandon anything that doesn't prove impact. Insist on real-time action powered by AI insights. Force the shift from opinion to evidence. Because if you don't, someone else will, and you'll be left guessing while they own the market. This is the difference between surviving and leading. No excuses. It's time to own it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.